guy Steve at Rumbleauto my own personal GT3 RS with her broken clutch finally being loaded up for transport to go get a new full clutch kit and coolant lines, welded coolant lines installed on the Metzger to fortify the car for its next 10 years or more of service. My favorite car in the world, my pride and joy, but sadly I've been unable to enjoy her for the last 10 months or so because of this broken clutch. But she will be mended soon, hopefully in time for German Car Day if I'm really lucky, and then I'll enjoy her again. You can see the nose lift is up. Clearance was not a problem. I have so missed driving this wonderful car. Soon she will be on the roads and tracks again. As always, thank you for watching.